Oh boy. All right. So Joe Rogan has just released this podcast with Rupert Lowe 18 hours ago, and it is already well beyond 1 million views.
2 hours long. This is gonna be crazy. Let's go.
Joe Rogan Podcast, check it out.
Because Britain's in bad shape, and
One of the most shocking thing about all of this is whatever Rupert Lowe is saying is so true, man. Pakistanis have overrun the country. They are doing what they are doing in India also. The same people, are doing the same things. What they were doing in India, over there. Crazy.
And that's why you're here. And this is what we're talking about. We're talking
well, the rape
about
gang we've done. This is
report.
we've
There it is.
crowdfeed this,
Okay.
Yeah,
which
the
I'm very
report,
happy to talk to
the
you about.
200
which I
pages
just-
Just this
report.
title of that, Rape Gang Report.
Yeah.
The idea that there's actual rape gangs in the UK in 2026. Is it being ignored? Is it being downplayed? Like, how is it being received?
Let me give you a very clear answer, because this thing happens even in India. These groups of people work towards a single goal, which is jihad. They will lie to you. They will try to do anything and everything that can serve that purpose. They don't care about you or the people you care about. They only want one thing, which is this religious war.
By the media and by
And the reason why the government and the politicians support it, because the structure of your political environment is made up like that. Okay? Because these people will come together, vote as a block. Okay? They will never vote anyone else other than the people they want to vote. Okay? It's never like, oh, you made a well in their city so they can drink fresh water, clean water now. Guess what, guys? They're still voting the same who was supporting their ideology. Okay? That corrupt ideology. They will never vote for you. Doesn't matter what you do for them. So what can you do for them? Support their ideology, and now you get their votes. And that is how they create this massive toxic environment for everyone else living in that area.
Pause it for a second. So what you think is that the multicultural invasion, the way it was set up, was on purpose, and it was on purpose to sort of diminish the idea of nationalism?
Yes. So I think the genesis of the rape gangs, going back to this, was the fact that multiculturalism was the order of the day. They wanted open borders. They wanted a multicultural society. They basically
idea
felt the
to have.
nation state had been the cause of world wars, effectively starting with Napoleon. Then obviously we had the Kaiser, then we had Hitler. That was your question. Ultimately, the genesis of that is this multicultural invasion almost of Europe.
Can I
See, this is... I don't understand this. Why can't they just be honest? Okay? You allowed people to get into your country unvetted. And when those people started voting as a bloc, asking for more people to get in, you just bended your knees and said, yes, master. Okay? That's the truth. Just say the truth, man. Just say the truth.
So the answer to your question is we still have illegal migration, and we have people living in Britain illegally. We have a lot of foreign prisons in our
Why? Why are you allowing this then?
prisons, and we have people who've come in under various waves of immigration. One of which, the biggest of which, was probably under Boris Johnson, who was actually a Conservative Prime Minister, who
Whoa.
allowed thousands, hundreds
Everybody's
of thousands
corrupt,
of people
man.
to come into Britain. And basically, they are now a burden to the British taxpayer. So the answer to your question is they're arriving.
Shock. A guy who came on a boat into your country is a burden on your country. Who would have thought, guys? Nobody. Nobody would have thought that. A guy who is coming on a boat to your shores and be like, oh, this is my home now, is gonna ask for a home, gonna ask for a medical treatment, gonna ask for the schools, gonna ask for everything which you created for your own people. He wants a piece of it now. Crazy. Such a shocking thing he is saying, bro.
देखिए, आज से 50 साल पहले ब्रिटेन दुनिया का सबसे पावरफुल देश हुआ करता था। वही ब्रिटेन जिसने हम पर 200 साल राज किया है। लेकिन आज वही ब्रिटेन अंदर से इतना अनस्टेबल हो चुका है कि पिछले 10 साल में यहाँ
पाकिस्तान के लग रहा है भाई, ये तो
बदल
लिस्ट।
चुके हैं। और ये बर्बादी जैसी हालत किसी जंग से नहीं आई है, ना ही किसी बम से आई है। ये बर्बादी आई है उस फैसले से जिसमें ब्रिटेन ने अपने ही घर के दरवाजे उन लोगों के लिए खोल दिए जिनमें से कुछ ने आगे चलकर उसी समाज की बच्चियों को अपना शिकार बना लिया। पाकिस्तानी ओरिजिन ग्रूमिंग गैंग।
You heard that right. 1,400 children from the late 1990s onwards. Most of these gangs were made up of British Pakistani men. They would often park their cars outside schools or care homes. Then gradually they would target young girls.
पिछले कुछ दशकों में पाकिस्तानी ओरिजिन क्रिमिनल नेटवर्क्स ने ब्रिटेन के अंदर एक ऐसा जाल बिछाया जिसकी इमेजिनेशन भी आप नहीं कर सकते। छोटी छोटी बच्चियों को अपना निशाना बनाना, उन्हें नशा देना और फिर उन्हें एक शहर से दूसरे शहर में बेच देना। और सबसे शर्मनाक बात, ब्रिटेन की सरकार को यह सब पता था, सालों से पता था, पर उसने आंखें बंद कर रखी थी। लेकिन अब 20 साल के बाद ब्रिटेन को धीरे धीरे समझ में आ रहा है कि उसने अपने साथ कितना बड़ा धोखा किया। और इस पूरे मामले की चिंगारी बना दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा पॉडकास्ट जो रोगन शो, जहां एक ब्रिटिश सांसद रूपर्ट लोवे वो बैठकर सच कहता है, एक ऐसा सच जिसे ब्रिटेन का मीडिया पिछले 20 सालों से दबा रहा था। लोवे ने कहा कि इन गैंग्स की नजर में एक नॉन मुस्लिम वुमेन इंसान ही नहीं है, वो सिर्फ एक चीज है, इस्तेमाल करने की चीज। और उनके अपने शब्दों में कहा जाए तो मीट।
Who's actually got their own laws. There are all sorts of hadith rulings which they can use to justify it. I mean, for instance, if they rape a white girl, that doesn't count in their view of life as adultery. So they are effectively taught that a girl who doesn't dress as they would dress is meat to be abused.
लोवे ने कहा कि इन बच्चियों को उनके अपने ही रेपिस्ट के पैर चाटने पर मजबूर किया जाता था, सिर्फ इसलिए ताकि उन्हें उनकी औकात याद रहे।
A lot of it's about servitude and about, there's other stories in here about women having to lick the feet of their rapists. It's about power, it's about servitude, and it's about the fact that Muslim men are taught to believe that they are superior, not only to women, but they're superior to people like yourself and myself, who are considered to be, if you like, the infidels.
लोवे ने कहा कि कई बच्चियों को तो प्रेग्नेंट करके फिर जबरदस्ती इस्लाम कबूल करवाया जाता था।
You had two choices. You either converted to Islam or they killed you. And in the case of a lot of these girls, a lot of them were made pregnant. They were impregnated, and they then had to convert to Islam. Some of them were trafficked to Saudi Arabia, Pakistan.
और फिर लोवे ने वो लाइन कही जिसने दुनिया को हिला कर रख दिया। उसने कहा कि इन्हें ना एशियन गैंग्स कहना बहुत गलत है। इन्हें एशियन गैंग कहना जापानीज और बाकी के एशियंस की बेइज्जती है जो कुछ ऐसा करते ही नहीं हैं। मैं इन्हें वही कहूंगा जो ये हैं, पाकिस्तानी मुस्लिम रेप गैंग।
So when I gave a speech in Parliament where I said they're not Asian grooming gangs. I'm going to call them what they are. They're Pakistani Muslim rape gangs.
और जैसे ये बात बाहर आई, आग लग गई। ये क्लिप्स एक्स पर करोड़ों लोगों तक पहुंच गई।
There's certain cultures that if you allow them to come into your community and then they institute the laws of the country where they came from, you're going to have a real problem. Like, they don't live the way you live. They don't have the same respect for women that you have. They don't treat them the same way. They don't allow dogs. Like, there's a lot of
That's right.
stuff that a lot of people might not even be aware that come with that problem.
खुद इलॉन मस्क इसे बार बार शेयर करने लगा। दुनिया भर के लोग पूछने लगे कि ये सब ब्रिटेन में हो रहा था और किसी को पता तक नहीं चला। दबाव इतना बढ़ गया कि आखिरकार ब्रिटेन की गवर्नमेंट को झुकना पड़ा और एक पूरी सरकारी जांच बिठानी पड़ी। और अब हालात ये हैं कि ब्रिटेन के नेता इन पाकिस्तानी ओरिजिन कन्विक्टेड मुजरिमों को वापस पाकिस्तान भेजना चाहते हैं।
You can pick right off. We would end all Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान क्यों भेजने चाह रहे हो भाई? क्या तुम्हारे पास जेल नहीं है? क्या तुम्हारे पास फंदे खत्म हो गए? Do this with them, bro.
I don't need to deliberate. Hang that nigga now. I got the rope right here.
Do this with them.